My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be part 2 of 2. I wanted to do a tutorial using some new products that I got during the Sephora VIB sale, but I got the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, and I wanted to do that video separately because I'm sure there are people who are just wanting to see the palette, but I also got some other good stuff, so I'm like, you know, like I just want to get on camera and play around with some new makeup and, you know, share it with you guys. So if you would like to see how this is actually this, oh my gosh, this foundation routine and concealer combination, oh, the bomb. Like, I am, like, my face is flawless right now. So if you would like to see how I got that, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so we are going to be using new products that I have gotten during the VIB Rouge event. I didn't get much, and so I'm like, I don't really want to do a haul since I didn't get much, but I'm like, I did get enough to where I could do a tutorial. So I actually got a backup of my FARSALI liquid glass Radiance Make Skin Serum. Okay, it was on sale for like I think $43. It's originally $54. It was on sale for like $43, and then with the 20% off discount for the VIB sale, it came to like $35. I was like, I have to get a backup. So I'm going to be priming with this. Since I don't have to use it sparingly now, since I have another one coming. Haha. Oh my god, I love this stuff so much. Alright, so for foundation, this is like new for me, but not really. So I'm going to be using the DIOR Forever Undercover 24-hour wear full coverage foundation. Now, this is in 020 light beige. I actually had this before and then I lost it. I think a gremlin came and stole it. So it was like one of my favorite foundations, so I had to get a new one. Alrighty, let's get into the foundation. I love this foundation so much. And I'm going to blend it out with a Morphe M439. Okay, so for concealer, I got this Giorgio Armani Power Fabric High Coverage Stretchable Concealer in number 1. I have been wanting to try this for a while, and so of course Sephora sale is the perfect excuse to try it. So let's see. Okay, feels nice going on, hydrating. is good. Okay, now I also got, it was like a beauty blender like holiday set. It came with a beauty blender and like a jewel shaped like sponge cleaner. I'm like, oh, beauty blender, you're trying to make cute little brush and sponge cleaners now? No, you had black soap and was ugly. I just started making cute soaps. But anyway, so I'm gonna blend it out with my beauty blender. I haven't had a beauty blender in like so long. I have been using like either the Real Techniques or a Morphe sponge. Like, I honestly can't remember the last time I've had like an original beauty blender. I'm like, I'm gonna splurge and spoil myself and get a real one. I just think it's like so ridiculous to spend $20, especially when you have to like replace your sponges every few months. And I think the other ones work, just as well for the most part, but it's always nice to have a regular. Ooh, this concealer though. Yes. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at like gives me the most beautiful glow. Ooh. I don't think it's supposed to be like a radiant concealer, is it? I'm just going to set it with my Huda Beauty Easy Bake setting powder in Cupcake. I really like that concealer. Oh my god, the foundation and the concealer combined, oh my god. My makeup looks so flawless right now. I'm loving it. Especially with that primer underneath. I noticed when I use the FARSALI liquid glass as a primer, like, if I'm at work, usually like halfway through my shift, I'll start to kind of get like raccoon eyes underneath. But I notice when I use that primer, like, that doesn't happen. Alright, let's bronze. I'm actually going to use this Tarte Park Avenue Princess Bronzer. I don't have a new highlighter either. I'm gonna use this Anastasia and Nicole Guerrero highlighting palette. We're gonna throw it back old school, and I think I'm gonna use Glow Getter. This gold right here, Ooh, let me see if this will work for a highlight brush. Ooh, it sure does. For blush, I didn't get this during the sale, but I wish I would have waited and gotten it during the sale. It's this Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush Quad in Ghost. So I'm gonna go in with like this orangish kind of coral right here. Okay, so I'm just going to spray some setting spray and then I'm going to put lashes on. I'm trying to decide if I should use these Sephora collection Lash Stories in Ouch or Huda Beauty in Samantha. Maybe I should go with Huda Beauty since this is a Huda Beauty eye look. Okay. I am going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Peachy, and this is from the Undressed Lip Collection. Let me line my lips. I'm gonna use this lip liner that I have no idea what it is because the name is worn off. I'm sorry. It's like a peachy nude lip liner. Any peachy nude will do. Okay, so here is the completed look. I am feeling everything. The eyes, the face, the outfit. Ooh, this was gonna be part of a future haul, but I was like, no girl, I have to wear this now. I'm sorry. It was just way too cute. But yeah, I'm really feeling this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this, just like fun using new makeup. Get ready with me and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.